Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market.
Today, we're shedding light on a problem that many drivers face: foggy, yellowed headlights. Introducing the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit, hailed as the best headlight restoration kit available. Say goodbye to dim, hazy headlights and hello to crystal clear clarity with this easy-to-use solution.
Let's dive into what makes this kit stand out from the rest. With just 3 simple steps, you can transform your headlights from dull to dazzling. First, the surface activator softens the plastic, making it easier to sand smooth. Next, sand and polish to remove haze and corrosion, restoring the original clarity and vision to your headlights. Finally, finish and seal with the UV block clear coat applicator for long-lasting protection against UV damage. The results speak for themselves.
Just take a look at these before and after shots.
With the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit, you'll experience improved visibility and a safer driving experience.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the phenomenal improvement this kit delivers. With over 24,000 ratings and an average of 4.6 stars, it's clear that SYLVANIA knows a thing or two about headlight restoration.
So if you're tired of struggling to see at night due to foggy headlights,
do yourself a favor and grab the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit today. Your future self will thank you.
Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews on must-have products. Until next time, happy driving.